Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. Tap on it once and you can enable hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can display QR code to connect your hotspot. You can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change password, you can also change AP band, and you can turn your hotspot automatically if nobody is connected. You can also use your hotspot as the USB tethering and as a Bluetooth tethering, and also as the Ethernet tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.